Okay, people, we are live! Hello there! I'll just give it a few more minutes so people can come in. Okay. Just make sure we have a few things working. Okay, let me just put this on the first news article and we will talk about it in just a few minutes. I want to see if anybody else will come in. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Okay.
May the odds be ever in your favor.
Okay, I think it's time to get started, people. Welcome to Linux and More. I have 3 news articles all ready to go. Why don't we start off with this first news article about Deepin. So I'll look at it. So I'm gonna do this article, and we will then jump to the comments. Oh, hey Ben, how you doing, buddy? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for coming. Also, before I get started, if anybody wants to see more live streams just like this one, make sure to smash that like button. It really helps me out. Thank you. Alright, so without further ado, I think it's time to start with the first news bulletin here. We're going to start with Deepin 15.8, which was just released just recently, and apparently it has better improvements to the system and all that. So let's go over that, shall we? Okay, so let's see here. Here we go. Deepin 15.8, the next version of Deepin's the Deepin Linux distribution, is now available to download, which you can get it for various distributions depending on your distribution. So basically what it talks about here is how it's been polished. It has a smaller download size, and a few number of design tweaks to improve the form and function of the distro. It also says right here that it offers an attractive and efficient, elegant, excellent user experience. Okay, let's see what we got here. as you guys can see, here's the new screenshot, which it does look really cool right here. That's a really nice login screen, I will say that. I will say that this is a really nice login screen. I think what I'm going to do, just to make sure I can see everything clearly, there we go, that's a lot better. Much better. Alright. Right there, that'll do it just fine. Now I can see the comments, and I can also see the bulletin, which is a good thing. Okay. Let me just make sure. Yep. Works perfectly. Okay, back to the topic at hand. Basically, we have a new boot screen right here. So, I will say the boot screen looks really nice. Much better than the old one. Redesigned control center. Oh, now that would... Oh, wow. Now that control center looks awesome looking. I mean, as you all can see here, accounts, display, personalized, all of that. Now it's categorized in a category style layout. I like that. That's really good. Okay, and it also says right here that basically it's saying right here that it has a new layout that's more efficient and better. And it also says right here that it uses a number of old features like weather, volume. Wait, it says it's more efficient than the old one. It does use a number of old features like weather molecule and volume sliders removed or relocated. Okay, so they changed things around to make it better. That's good. That's good. Adapts to different display resolutions, transparency setting added to personalization, molecule strong, and auto brightness function added to display module. Very good. I will say the auto brightness is really good. Oh, there's now a screenshot shortcut. Nice. Very nice. Oh, and it looks like the dock has been redesigned too. I like the new icons. Really nice. So basically, for those of you that are interested in Deepin and want a Mac-like experience, this one's definitely for you. Let's see, what else does it got here? Oh, nice. Let's see. So this is the new system tray. Let's see. Another dock-based extension reveals itself when the dock is run in the Windows Y-style efficient mode. Think dash to panel on the far right of the dock is subtype widget that can, in one click, show the desktop just like Windows. Okay, so basically they're trying to make it for Windows users. I like this idea. I really like this idea. Okay. Okay, good. Now it's saying right here that there's updates for apps and flat packs, music, movie, image viewer, all that. Okay. And basically, the new ISO for Deepin now comes in 200 megabytes less than the previous ISO, which is really nice. Right. So that's really good. Really good. Here's a bit of an overview here. Redesign control center. Desktop dock improvements. Improved HID DPL support. There's a new grub boot menu. Full disk encryption. Optional dark theme. There you go. I like my dark themes. Better apps and better handling of Office document files. Perfect. So for those of you that use OpenOffice, LibreOffice, any type of office thing, this is good for you. And right here, this is the download area. Basically, in a nutshell, I think this is a good direction Deepin's going in. I may run it again, but I'll wait to see if this. But I think what I'll do, since I'm an Arch user, I will wait for Manjaro Deepin to update to 1508 to test it out. So that's what I'll do. But until then, people, Deepin looks really nice, and that's really all I gotta say about that. So I think what we'll do now is I'll jump back into the comments for at least a few minutes before we get into our next article. So everybody, those of you in the comments section, in your opinion, what do you think of Deepin 15.8? What are your thoughts? I mean, do you all like the new look? Do you think this is a good direction?
Did you get into marshmallows? Stay out of that stuff.
But yeah, I think in a nutshell, I think Deepin's really good. I will say that. Anyway, I think I said enough about this article. Let's get into the next article, shall we? And if Switch to Linux was here, he's gonna love the final article I got. Anyway, next article. Instagram is creating a personalized mall for everyone, involving all brands you follow. It says right here it's nearly Black Friday, and we're gearing up with a podcast about shopping, of course. This week on why you'd push that button, Caitlin Tiffany and I discussed the Instagram shopping. Why do we buy stuff? I've never thought buying something from the app, but that's mostly because I'm discovering that I have a expensive taste, not because I'm not tempted. We chat with a Verge editor and editor-in-chief, Nile Patel, about all the horrible gadgets he's bought, as well as Vox reporter Rebecca Jennings about how the Instagram algorithm learns what we love and then targets us with it. Now, I'm going to stop right there and say one little thing about Instagram and the main reason why I don't use it anymore. Number one, it says right here, algorithm. If there's one thing that I will say about any company that uses like an algorithm or some form of data collection, is they just need to stop with the data collection, to be honest. It's not helping us one bit as a society, it's only making us worse. That's really all I'm going to say about that. But other than that, I will say Instagram doing this whole shopping thing, I honestly say that this is just a waste of time, and I'd just rather buy something from the store. That's really all I gotta say about that. I'm not gonna bother reading the rest of this, because this just explains things even further. But I want to know, people, what are your thoughts on Instagram creating a personalized mole? I want to know what you guys think about that.
Being related to a Revolutionary War? Nothing. I just don't believe there's native kids in your family tree. I tell you what, though.
Okay. I think we'll go back into the comments right now. Let's see here. I delete my old channel and made a new one. Ah, nice to see you. Nice to see you here, Noah. Good evening, Mark. Hello, Ben. Okay. I think, in my opinion, I think Instagram should just... all I can really say is they really need to rethink about using data collection. Since it's not good for anybody, they really need to focus on making their service in a different way, in my opinion. That's all I gotta say. But anyway, now to the final topic at hand for the day. The Amazon Basics microwave is for those who are spoiled by voice commands. Oh my god. Oh my god. A talking microwave. Really? A talking microwave. Like we even need a talking microwave. Like, really? I mean, a talking microwave, that's the worst idea I've ever heard in my life. Like, why would I need a microwave to talk to me? Like, I don't understand that logic at all, but guess we'll read the article and find out. How much do you need your microwave experience to be streamlined? Is it annoying to have to press a few buttons? Are a microwave's presets too complex to use? Amazon seems to have different answers to these questions than the ones I've heard from fellow Verge co-workers and friends. It says it sees an opportunity in making a smart microwave, letting people use advanced presets they normally don't touch. Instead of having to press multiple buttons, you can just ask Alexa to heat an item, and it will determine heating times for items as varied as sweet potatoes and popcorn. Oh, good heavens. No, 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 no. No. I'm just gonna say this. We do not need a talking microwave to do the work for us. In fact, I've used a microwave the old-fashioned way for years. Just put the item in the microwave, press a few buttons, boom, done. We don't need talking microwaves. And this is the biggest concern, is they're putting all this data collection and all of this algorithm stuff into these devices. I mean, Alexa's pretty much in almost everything now. And that's really concerning to me. It honestly is concerning. What else does this thing say? Setting up Amazon Basics microwave is fairly fast and simple. You'll just need an Echo device. The microwave doesn't really have a microphone or speaker built in. An Alexa app and a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. The microwave is powered by Alexa Connect Kit, which runs on Bluetooth Low Energy and Wi-Fi to let Echo devices communicate. It also acts as a reference of Alexa Alexa Connect Kit or other device makers to learn from them. The app prompts you to add your microwave as an appliance. Alternatively, you can just ask Alexa on your Echo to pair with your microwave. The overall process takes about 10 minutes, especially if the connection is slow. In that time, you could have finished setting up a regular microwave by plugging it in and setting the time, which is true. I mean, for just a standard microwave, just plug in the thing, set your time, good. That's all you gotta do, to be honest. You don't need Alexa to control your life. I'm sorry, you just don't. Really, this just explains even further just the scariness of this. I mean, look at that! Look at that! Popcorn in the Alexa microwave. I mean, yes, it works, but still. I mean, that's really all I need to say about this. I want to know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this microwave here? I mean, I would really like to know what your feedback is on this, because this microwave is scary. Very scary. Anyway, back to comments. Okay.
I used to get here hours before my flight just to get to buy an outlet so I could work on a turn paper or, a music changer. So I'd have to plug in my computer, go over my music and listen to it. Where here I walked in and there were, 30 of these chairs with USB ports.
Alright.
And for your friends and family who are visiting town, we're actually just pulling in to the new rental car station. So we got some people getting out here. Go ahead, guys. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
But yeah, all I gotta say for the record is we don't need Alexa in every single thing. We honestly don't.
Alright, and take a look at just how busy it is in the air right now.
I mean, my Lord in heaven, just no. Really do not need an Alexa-powered microwave. That's just no. But anyway, people, I think this is going to wrap it up for this live stream. I hope you enjoyed my free news articles here. If you want to see more live streams just like this, please smash that like button. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and until next time, this is Yu-Gi-Oh! Master 88 saying see you later.